In the previous episode, we used Power Automate to send this table from Power BI data. Now, it could use a little styling, and one thing we can do is rename all the columns to remove the table name and square brackets. We jump straight into the Power Automate Flow Builder. What interests us is run a query against a dataset action, where all column names and measure names are stored. In our examples, we'll use salesman name, manager, region, amount of sales, and difference to target. As you can see, they're not all named as you'd expect. To rename these columns, we create Select Action. We search for it in Data Operations folder. Now that we've got Select Action, we reference first table rows from Run a Query against a dataset action. Renaming starts with us copying the salesman name snippet that also contains sales data table name. We also need to put apostrophes in correct places so that they surround table and column name. After our reference using item function is complete, we name our column as we want, in our case salesman. Now we will replicate process for remaining 3 columns and 2 measures. For columns, it's really copy-paste with simple exchange of column name. Let's take a look at the measures. They're defined a bit differently in the DAX code. They're coded as name of measure in square brackets, but without table name. We'll reference them in the item function, as seen on the video, in double brackets. We proceed with the renaming. Renaming done, now let's reference Select Action and create HTML table action so that our renaming is applied in the flow and later in the send table. All done, let's see the result. As you can see, all of the actions regarding column renaming have been applied, and our automatically sent table looks much better. Hope this tutorial helped you in some way. Thank you for watching.